All right, so here we have a 2006 Honda Element. We're going to be replacing the coil packs and spark plugs. All right, so we need to remove this cover so we can get to our coil packs. All right, so we have some 10mm nuts. We'll go ahead and remove those. All right, so we have a couple more 10mm here holding our coil packs on. And now we'll go ahead and remove our coil packs, our connector. All right, so I have a 5/8 spark plug socket and a long extension. There is like a little piece of rubber in here, so it will hold the spark plug to pull it up. All right, so everything looks good. They just look like they had a little heat in them. They're starting to get a little blow by inside the porcelain area. All right, so here we got some new plugs, some NGKs we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. Go ahead and open them up, get them all laid out. All right, so they come protected tip. So you don't really want to gap these. You just want to kind of make sure that they're okay. You know, if they've been hit, you can gap them, but they should come already set and ready to go. All right, so here we have some new coil packs that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. We'll go ahead and unbox them and get them all set up. All right, so now we're ready to put our coil packs in. All right, so we'll go ahead and get them set halfway, and then we'll plug our plug in. All right, just go ahead and push them down. And this little lip right here, you'll hear click as it goes into the lip of the valve cover. All right, so then we had two that were studs to hold our cover on. All right, so now we'll go ahead and put our cover back on. All right, we're all set. We'll go ahead and start it up and then give it a test drive.